Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work on a Porsche. It's a Cayenne. This is a 2016. Should apply to 2011 to 2018. So we're going to remove this bad boy. It's door right here, door panel. So I'm going to take you through the process. Just like that, our door panel is out. So first of all, just for the introduction, we are having is one bolt inside here. There's one just inside over here, and then right over here is a bolt here. So we're going to open here, and then there's one under here like here, and then lastly there's one somewhere here, and then we have a bolt right here. If you look down right over here, let me just show you. So if you pay attention, you have a Torx, is a Torx 20, but there is going to be a Torx 30. Right to the tools. The tools we're going to be needing for this job. Number one, we have to have a 30 Torx screwdriver. Number two is a 20 screwdriver, which is a Torx. And then lastly, you have to have a plastic prier. And then once that is done, so let's begin. So we're going to start with this right here. Let's start. So you take this like here, and then remove this over here. This thing is going to just pop up like that. So you just pop it like this. It's going to have some clips on it, and then right inside right here is a Torx 30. So let's remove that one. That one is out. Out of the way. We go to the next one. Second, you take this one right here. It's just a plastic prier. You just come right here on the corner. You just pry from right here. So you just pry from the top like this, and then work your way out as you go like that all the way. And then there are clips, if you can see right here, and these clips have to come back, so you keep opening like that, and then when this thing comes out like that, you pull it, and then you pull it back like that. So it has to come back like this, and then just pull it out. So this thing comes out without a problem. And then when you look right here, we have a Torx 30. So we just open this one. Just like that, it comes out. So once those two are out, you just look for something to hold right here. You just look for your pry again, and just come right over here, and then you just have to pry it out. Alright. So you just pry like this. This thing should come up from the top. So all these clips are going to get right over here, and then they're going to come out from these positions. And then once that is done, this exposes us to another Torx 30. It's just right inside there. So we just come right there. Just pull it like that, and then comes out like that. Then once that is done, we just come to the lower section. You just pry with your hand like this. Should be able to come out from there like that. So this also has to come like all the way from here. And then when you come down right here, we have is the Torx 30. So we just have a long Torx 30. We can go all in there, and then we can get it. So once all these are out, even this one, the last one, this is the low one, most people don't see it, it's only one. Once everything is out, what you do, so sometimes you can remove this handle if you need it or you don't need it, so you just pull like that, and then you just pull like that, it just comes like that without a problem. So you can put it on the side. You bring your plastic prier, you just put it under right here, just find a space, and then you just pry it out. So let me show you how to do it. So you take your plastic prier. So what I figured out is important. You start from right over here where this radio is. So you just put it all in. Then you just get leverage from there. And then you can use your hands to just keep prying over like this. You come it over this way. So this thing is going to come out like that. And then you just do like that, and this way, just like that. Then one important thing, when you're lifting it out, you just lift it up just to come out from right here. See, just lift it like right from over here. It's a bit tight, but and it just comes like that. And then you can just lift it out like that, and then this is what you see. We're just going to show inside, so you can disconnect this right here. This for the and then also this thing sometimes it's supposed to come out with it, and sometimes it's not supposed to come out with it. So I'll show you how this thing should come out. Just take it out like that. So this should be able to just come out like that. So once this is out of the way, so we just take out this few connection. That is right here. You just take it like that. This thing just comes like that. And then the next one is just right over here. You just remove like that. And then the third one is going to just come right over here. And then you just push it in like that, and then this thing should be able to come out just like that, and then this thing should come out like that, and then finally you just come right over here. This is going to be our so you just push it back like this, and then this thing should just be able to just come out from here without a problem. Then just like that, our door panel is out. So right here our door panel is out. So you can proceed to do whatever stuff you want to do. If you are removing the window regulator, you can proceed from right here. And to access the inner part, what you do is you see right here we have this Torx 30. So you just take them all out, and then you can proceed from there. Thank you for watching the video, and if you loved it, please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.